One more formula. So we just gave him 60 ml of formula. He cooked like maybe
2.5 दिया है इसको, तो 3 तक दे सकते हैं, 3 ounce दे सकते हैं. बेसिकली मैं 2.5 ounce दिया है इसको, 1/2 ounce और दे सकते हैं.
we gave what?
Good job, मेरा बच्चा.
Was it a burp?
Yes, it was a
I think there was a
burp.
burp. I think there was a
That
burp.
was a burp.
Sleepy?
Half hour दे दो.